sea and the wind. And the sea and the wind. Seagulls drifting in the open sky.